Yeah, good day. I welcome you onto this tutorial where I'll be showing you how to increase the speed of your system. The first thing is go on your search bar, type run. From there, click on the one that shows up. Type refresh. Can you see it's the one I tapped? Click on OK. It will show you all the files that you're supposed to just click on Ctrl A and click on delete. It will delete all the files except like 2 or 3 files that work with your system. Just click on do this for all the current items. Click on skip. It means that only skip this. Go back again, type run, search, type 10, click on OK. From there, just click on Ctrl A, delete. Do the same thing, skip. Here for the last one, run, enter, type percentage term, percentage, click on OK, click on Ctrl A, click on delete, click on do this, skip. That was how to increase the speed of your system. If you are new to my channel, please click subscribe button, like this video and share it to your friends. Bye.